shown this morning is that you are all people of peace. You believe in the peace of River State. You believe in the peace of Obiabo. You believe that there should be peace in this country. I want to commend all of you for what you are doing, for not taking up arms, for not being violent, but for standing by what this country ought to stand by at all times, which is democracy. We believe in the rule of law, we believe in democracy, and we believe that there is nobody that is above the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. There is nobody that is above laws of River State. What you have all said this morning is that you stand by the laws of River State. What we are saying this morning is that you stand by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. What we are saying this morning is that you stand by democracy, which has enshrined the principles of separation of powers. Indeed, Rivers people have woken up, and I'm happy that at this point in time in our history, people are getting more enlightened. People are beginning to demand that the right be done at all times. Any attempt to abandon laws of River State would definitely be an invitation to anarchy. Nobody wants anarchy. Nobody wants us to go back to the state of nature, where life is brutish, hasty, nasty, and short. We cannot allow that situation where government will break down. And that is why all our laws must be obeyed. Even the governor must obey laws of River State. He cannot cherry pick. The governor cannot cherry pick which law to obey and which one to disobey. Nobody will be allowed to cherry pick laws of River State. And the Constitution, which is the ground law, must be obeyed.
And so, like the governor said, there is no sacrifice that is too much for peace. However, if you want sincere peace, you must be ready to do justice. There can be no peace without justice. That sacrifice is to do justice and govern by the rule of law. Therefore, we are in support of governance by law, not by discretion, not by impunity. River State is a state that must comply with law and order. We are in support of the position of the Nigerian police.
Yes, sir.
The Inspector General, under the leadership of the Commander-in-Chief, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, has helped to bring peace to River State, even when there are provocative actions that could lead to breakdown of law and order. And so for us, we want to encourage the Inspector General and his men to continue to bring peace and order in River State. We want to call on all to abide by the rule of law. Let public office holders understand that they must obey the laws of the land. And as a people, we are taking a peace walk through our local government this morning to talk to the people, to demonstrate our support for peace and order. And so we want to thank you for coming out this morning